The strange thing I bought. Last Saturday, I bought something very strange. I still don't know the whole story, but I want to tell you about it. I'm Alex. On Saturdays, I like to walk with no plan. That morning, I found a small street market. It was a market for old things. There were old books, old clocks, and old cups. I love markets like this. I like to look, but I rarely buy. I walked slowly between the tables. Then I saw an old man at the end of the row. His table was full of dusty things. Most people walked past it quickly. But something made me stop. On the table, there was a small wooden box. It was a music box. It was old and a little broken. The wood was dark and smooth. I picked it up carefully. "Does it still play?" I asked. The old man shook his head. "No," he said, "it hasn't played in years. I don't know where it came from." I looked at the little box in my hands. I don't know why, but I wanted it. "How much is it?" I asked. "Just a few coins," he said. So I bought the broken music box. The old man smiled at me. "I hope it plays for you," he said. I put the box in my bag and walked home. It felt heavier than it looked. At home, I put the box on my table. I cleaned it with a soft cloth. Slowly, the dark wood began to shine. There were small flowers carved on the top. Somebody made this a long time ago. I tried to open the lid, but it was stuck. I turned the little key under the box. Nothing happened. No music, no sound. I tried again. Still nothing. Maybe the old man was right. Maybe it was just a broken box. I almost put it away. But then my fingers felt something. Under the box, there was a tiny drawer. I didn't see it before. Very carefully, I pulled it open. Inside the drawer, there was a small folded paper. It was old and yellow. My hands were careful. I opened the paper slowly. There were only a few words on it. The ink was old, but I could read it. It said, "For Anna, so you never feel alone." Under the words, there was a year. 1962. I sat down at my table. I read the words again. "For Anna, so you never feel alone." I wondered who Anna was. Somebody gave her this music box. Somebody wanted her to feel happy. And that was 60 years ago. I held the little box again. Then I turned the key one more time. And this time, something changed. Slowly, the box began to play. A soft, quiet song filled the room. It was slow, and a little sad. But it was beautiful. I closed my eyes and listened. I saw a woman by a window, many years ago. Maybe she listened to this same song. Maybe it kept her company on quiet nights. The old music box was alive again. I don't know who Anna was. I don't know who gave her the box. I will probably never know. But that night, her song played in my room. And I didn't feel alone either. Now the music box sits on my shelf. Every evening, I turn the little key. And the soft song plays again. A stranger made it. A woman named Anna kept it. And now it lives with me. I think that is a beautiful thing. Old things carry old stories. And sometimes, we become the next person to keep them. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to Slow English Listening. A new English story is waiting for you every day. Next, You can listen to the morning I almost stopped running in the rain. Until then, take care. Bye.